Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the AI Robot Maker. This is your very own Praneet Malik, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a harmless matrix virus at home with the command prompt. So we don't have to use the command prompt, just we have to use the codes or commands of the command prompt. So here I've wrote the code. So first, to start off, we have to write @echo of. Then at the next line, you have to write color 0A. 0A means the color of the text, and 0A is the green color. And then from the next line, the title, Mattrix Virus, or anything you want. Then top. Then you have to write the top. You have to specify the top, and then you have to write from the next line echo, then the command random. You have to paste it multiple times. Then at the last you have to write go to top. So you have specified the top here, and then this is the end. So this command is go to top. So it is endless. When it will go to the top, it will run the whole command again, and then it will read go to top, then it will again go to the top, and vice versa. And let's test this now. So first you have to save this file, and then you will go to save as. Then you have to save the file as .bat, then save. Then you have to go to the folder, and then you have to run this file, and this looks like a matrix virus. And here's our title, Mattrix Virus, and here's our numbers and hack screen like tap off. And this is the text is of green color, which we wrote color it is 0A, so it's a green color. So this is how you can make a matrix virus. It's totally harmless, and what you can do to prank with somebody, like you can change the logo of this file, and then you can name it with some another name, then and name it with the name that your friend, he or she uses the most frequently used app or name of the app, and name it like that. And when he will open the application, it will look like this, and it's saying Matrix Virus. Or if you will write the title your hack, then he is just he will be just surprised, like what? I have a virus in my computer. And then um, you can say your friend that I did that, or that was a prank, like that. So if you like my video, please subscribe and like my channel, and share these videos to your other friends, so you can also prank with your uh, teammates, your friends, your classmates, or your family members, etc. So see you in the next video.